Morning, comrades.
Good morning, comrades.
It is actually a morning.
For the first time, the first time in a long time. It is a good morning, comrades.
It is a very good morning. What are we doing, George?
They're going to take this to Marcus and see if he can work some magic with the welding, because the company that made this manifold is
Off a cliff?
off a cliff.
Be careful with that's fragile.
This isn't actually the box for the manifold, this is just a box.
It's still fragile. Still very fragile, just like you.
Actually, can we pause that clip?
Why?
Because my address is on the box.
Is it?
Yes, everyone.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's Apex address, bro.
Oh, it is. This is
Oh, well, if you want his address, description down below. You guys are doing the e-tron.
We are going in the e-tron.
Because
Spacey.
why take a 20-year-old Mark IV Golf when we've got an e-tron sitting inside?
Exactly. I mean, might see you. Bye. Yeah, so good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Nürburgring for a bit, because we are going now to Stahlus, our cage builder, who is going to hopefully weld the manifold of George's Starlet. On top, we also have here a very nice calendar from Pace, Esser, dealer of Koenigsegg and Rimac.
No golf, though.
What?
No golf, though.
No golfs, yeah, we need to change that. Mark for golf is missing. That's a very nice picture, very nice picture. Bringing it to Robert, because John Moffat, who is working at Pace/Esser, brought it yesterday. And yeah, we're also gonna go to Robert after that. All the parking spots in the world, and I decided to park it right next to Yaris so George cannot get in. Ooh, vibing. Those are the vibes.
Oh, I thought you wanted to turn it off.
Yeah, I did, but I just wanted to show what the vibes were. The very interesting fact about this trip is it's going to be my first trip, which is going to be like relatively long trip, where we need to manage the charge, etc. Of course, I did like the press launch, and we did the 24-hour e-tron trip, which was a press trip, but there you're kind of being nannied around by Audi, and I was just taking a nap, and I was not worrying about charge and everything was fine. But now we have actually a real life case, real life scenario. So it is 128 kilometer charge. The trip is a lot longer than that. The charge is actually also a lot higher than that, because I was driving a bit fast the previous day, so it's calculated based on my driving style. So we are going to, I think it should be already in the address. Yeah, there we go. That's where we're going to, and then it should say you have the options for charging. That's like if you want to have already parking and charging. No, we don't want the parking and charging yet. We're just gonna start, and then it's gonna say that we should not be able to make, there we go, not possible to reach the destination on the current battery charge. Yep, we should, I guess, yeah. And then we're going to take a breakfast. A McDonald's later, and 58 kilometers. We used quite some more of the charge, because we left with like 127 or something, so we used like 70 kilometers of range, and the trip was 58, so slightly more. But then again, as mentioned, we were driving slightly faster than recommended, let's say that. So press the button, I guess. Press the button. I guess it's not gonna do it, because okay, switch up the ignition. Press the button. There we go. Yeah. 45 minutes. I don't think we have that much long, or neither do I need that much long to finish McDonald's. Woohoo! Right, we arrived. First impression. I mean, of course, we left with less than 0.5% of the charge, so we could have made it on a full charge if we were better prepared. But for long distance trips, not a fan of electric yet. Oh, look at that! He has Apex stickers now. That's fancy. Ooh, is a Volvo getting caged? Impressive. Hey, hey. Hello, hello.
Right.
I mean, BMWs are all fancy and everything, but this is apparently being built for the Nordschleife.
But then they race these in the touring cars.
I would definitely want to do a lap with it. No hope.
It's just shit. But there's no two ways about it. The manifold, the welding is terrible. But it flows good, so that's the only good thing about it, is it flows well. This has been repaired once already.
Ooh. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Milch und Zucker bitte. Nice. Danke. Dogo.
On the old one, the crap used to come in the selector. Now it's going to just find all the other weak spots now. Okay. Yeah, it's cool. It's okay? Yeah, it's perfect. That should definitely hold. No, this one's... That's okay. Yeah.
You happy?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Where's the weld?
Very, very good. What do you mean, where's the weld?
Where's the weld?
There. The whole way around. The whole.
Oh, okay.
The whole external. The whole of the external pipe.
Cool.
External wastegate pipe. Cool.
So you can sand it again.
So I can what?
Send it.
Send it, yeah. I thought you
Yeah.
said sand it. I was just saying, I'm sanding.
Oh no, wrong way. You happy? Don't drop it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Awesome.
It'll do the job, won't it? And it stops it blowing now. Good welding, to be honest.
Let's try now.
Please say a search term.
Mitchell Consulting, Rammstein.
Could you say that again, please?
Hotel Circle Inn.
You can operate everything using spoken commands. To go back a step, just say correction.
Correction.
What can I do for you?
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say a search term.
Hotel, Circle, Inn, Rammstein. Well,
You can now say additional search term. Would you like to start route guidance now?
start route guidance.
Starting route guidance.
So we have arrived and decided to plug it in the normal power socket. And it's gonna only take us 63 hours to charge it full. Charging 3 kilometers per hour range. Yeah. It's better to have a high power charge. Bruh! Should have taken the Mark IV. So we decided to go and drop it off at the nearest charging station with a diesel car. That joke had to be made. Well, that's fine. 1 hour and 10 minutes till it's full. That's a lot better than 66 hours. We'll leave it here, get some lunch, and then pick it up later. And I guess it is for free. So shout out to Rammstein for free charging.
Literally just gonna literally just keep cracking, so.
Nice. And now we're taking another diesel car.
Man, I'm so glad that you got this electric car so that everyone could drive your ass around. Basically save you.
We could have been home 75 minutes ago, but no, we went for an electric car to charge.
Thanks a lot.
Fossil fuels.
Yes. Oh, look at that!
What?
Look at the lights. Do it again. No, I think you need to turn it on and switch it off. Come on. That's annoying. Oh well, there was an attempt. So, a fast forward to the following day. Yesterday was a bit too dark and I was too tired to do proper outro. Well, if you go well prepared, EVs are kind of okay, but long distance trips, I mean, if I had to go and do a trip to Croatia, that would be just like not the thing. Like an old Mark IV Golf would be better suited for that. But for city use and inside city, if you're driving less than 200 or 400 kilometers, it's fine. And even if you do like longer trips, like 200, 300 kilometers on a day, I think the most important thing is to have a fast charger at your end destination. So either at work, or when you go back home, you need to have it at home, obviously. But as mentioned, I believe 90% of the EV owners are having a fast charger at home. Well, that's pretty much it. And speaking of the Mark IV Golf, the reason why there is the car glass van there is the Golf windshield is getting replaced. But that's something for tomorrow's vlog or the vlog for the day after. Finally, gonna give you lots of other updates, what's happening and what is not happening. It's a bit of a mess, but we'll get through it. We'll plow through it. So see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for tuning in, and bye-bye.